Top story coming in from the parliament. Congress party has decided to boycott the parliament till government accepts its 3-point demand, including a fresh farm bill making buying below the minimum support price illegal. Leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad revealed hardening of stand by the opposition, seeking an immediate revocation of suspension of 8 unruly Rajya Sabha members. Azad has said that the government must use Swaminathan panel recommendation to fix the MSP of crops. He adds that even government agencies like Food Corporation of India should not be allowed to buy below the minimum support price. Yesterday, remember, 15 political parties wrote to President Ramnath Kovind asking him not to sign bills into law. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is leading the fight, will be taking part in a protest against the farm bill in Kolkata today and also specifically targeting the Modi government.
हमने रिक्वेस्ट की है, वो कंडीशन नहीं है कि ठीक है हम इसके फेवर में नहीं है कि माइक टूटे या टेबल पे कोई चढ़े, उसके बिल्कुल फेवर में नहीं है, लेकिन उसके पीछे बहुत से कारण हैं कि क्यों हुए, क्योंकि कई इधर सरकार कोई भी बिल बुलडोज करने की कोशिश करता है, किसी भी सरकार को स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में नहीं भेजता है, किसी बिल को वो सिलेक्ट कमेटी को नहीं भेजता है, टाइम भी बोलने के लिए नहीं होता। ये तमाम चीज़ें कारण बनी थी कि जिसकी वजह से ये परसों हुआ, लेकिन होना नहीं चाहिए था, लेकिन हो गया। अब उनका वो वापस लेना चाहिए सस्पेंशन, लेकिन वो रिक्वेस्ट है।
Let's go directly to the parliament premises. Anand Patel is now joining me live today morning. Anand, the members of parliament are still on protest since yesterday and were served tea as well. But does that mean that the deadlock is over?
Certainly not. The deadlock is far from over, Pooja. And what we've seen a little while ago, Ghulam Nabi Azad, the leader of opposition, hardening the stand as far as the present deadlock is concerned. He's clearly said that the government should come up with another bill, another farm bill, in which it should ensure that every single grain of the farmer is bought by the FCI and the state agency. It should not be purchased anything below the MSP which is fixed by the government, and also any farm produce which is procured from the farmers, be it the private players as well, they should not buy it below the MSP. And the fourth demand, that the suspension of the MPs, of the 8 MPs, should be revoked. So these are the 4 demands, and if the suspension is not revoked, the opposition boycott will continue. We've seen the opposition leaders boycotting the proceedings of the House, staging a walkout while Chairman Venkaiah Naidu was sitting there and asking that the MPs should apologize for what has happened. But Ghulam Nabi Azad made it clear what has happened has happened. He regretted what has happened, but there is no climb down at all from the opposition, resulting in a deadlock.
Anand, stay on with me, because one leader, not a member of parliament, but leading the fight against Modi government is Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. And let's go across to Kolkata now, because Manogya Loewal is tracking all the latest on that. She's going to join a protest today. What precisely is going to be on agenda for her?
Well, it's a big day. Once again, it's back to the big politics in the state of West Bengal, protesting against the central government policies, the farmers' bill, as well as here on the streets. You would see near the Gandhi statue what is gathering of TMC leaders, several TMC supporters here together. The MOS held Chandrima Bhattacharya as well as several others with plates in their hands written in Bengali and Bangla. The message is loud and clear that they will fight for the farmers. Every statement that is written is what has happened in the parliament is absolutely unconstitutional, shameful, as well as the protest would continue. This is also being considered as a death and a murder of democracy. Remember, these are the protests not for the first time. TMC has been doing it earlier also, but with 2021 in for it, this would be interesting to watch on how the protests would be going ahead during the day today. Today, at near Gandhi statue, you would see several leaders gathering, especially because this is a protest called and spearheaded not only by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, but also very clearly on the Mahila Congress, the Trinamool Mahila Congress of the state. However, it would continue tomorrow with the Students' Brigade joining it and taking it further. in the state of West Bengal.
All right, she may not be in the parliament, but she's not missing this opportunity to clearly target the union government. And with regard to farmer issues, Manogya will be updating us when the Chief Minister shows up. Thank you so much, Anand and Manogya as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.